Hey there, it's Timotheus. Today I'm excited to share with you how I turbocharged my content creation process with not one, not two, but six incredible online tools. If you're looking to boost your productivity and your creativity as a content creator, right, then you've come to the right place. You are in for a treat. So now let's dive right in and discover the magic, the beautiful magic of all these tools: Canva, ChatGPT, Microsoft Designer, Opus Clip, Thumbnail, and Video. First up, let me introduce you to my lifesaver, Canva. This user-friendly graphic design platform has transformed the way I create visuals for my articles and social media. And I believe it also did for many of you and are doing so for many of you too. With its pre-designed templates and customizable elements, I can whip up stunning visuals, beautiful, stunning visuals that people will love in just minutes. In just a few minutes, pop, 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 I get it all done. It's like having a personal graphic designer at my beck and call, like, woohoo, hey, I need this, I need that. I want this design, I want that look. It's all done. So here's an example of a short video I created on Canva and I shared it on social media and messaging apps. Now, let me tell you about my productivity wingman, ChatGPT. This AI-powered writing buddy comes to my rescue whenever I hit a creativity roadblock. On days when I find, hey, I don't have any inspiration, can't seem to think. It generates awesome content ideas and killer introductions, saving me countless hours of, me staring at a blank screen and nothing happening, you know. My writing engines are always fired up with ChatGPT's help. So, like for example, I needed a promotional blurb for my digital marketing articles, and ChatGPT helped me to write it. You know, so I have all these articles on my website, and I wanted to promote all of them. So it helped me to write a blurb, and it also wrote hashtags for me. And by the way, the script for this video was written by ChatGPT, but of course, edited by me. And speaking of creativity, enter Microsoft Designer, the latest addition to the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It's an AI-powered graphic design app that creates stunning visuals, really beautiful, stunning visuals. And they do it, or rather, it does it with just a prompt from me, you know. And I've used it, I've been using it and I've used it for captivating cover photos, and also featured images. The cover photos are for my YouTube thumbnails, featured images are for my blog posts, and the results are simply impressive. Here's one design that Microsoft Designer created for me. And just FYI, the featured image for this video was also done using Microsoft Designer. But wait, there's more. There's this thumbnail app, AI app, that can help you, it simplifies thumbnail and featured image creation. While it may not have the sophistication of Microsoft Designer, its simplicity and ease of use makes it a real time saver. And so I have used it a little bit, whenever I need something fast. It creates eye-catching thumbnails, for example, for my YouTube videos and featured images for my blog posts, and it has never been easier to do it. So here is a thumbnail created by the Thumbnail app. Now let's talk about Vidyo, spelled VIDYO. This AI tool converts long form videos into short attention grabbing clips, like those shorts that you see, right? So, it's a game changer for repurposing long videos quickly and efficiently, right? Say you have a really long video and you want to just have, cut into short videos and then use it to promote that long video. So, video's powerful algorithms analyze my lengthy videos and create seamless, captivating shorts, right? So it's like having a personal video editor on standby. Someone you just say, hey, cut this long video into interesting shots. And here is the long video that I did, that I repurposed into shorts. And this is the repurposed short. Then you use the correct and relevant keywords for your website or web pages. Last but not least, let me introduce you to Opus Clip. Right, this is another AI tool that transforms lengthy videos into bite-sized, engaging snippets. It's one of the tools that I used initially, and I've now sort of used more of video, because I like the video out, the look of videos, shots, the design, so Opus Clip is perfect for for creating all these shorts that that you use for sharing on social media platforms and capturing your audience's interest in seconds. While the designs on Opus Clip may not match video's aesthetics, it does offer a valuable alternative for quick and efficient short video creation, right? So if you need something really fast, something without all the design fluff and all, this is a good option. So here is the long video that I used Opus Clip to repurpose into shorts. And I use Opus Clip to repurpose that long video into a short like this. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way of making money online. And there you have it, my friends. These 6 online tools have supercharged my content creation game, making it smoother and more efficient. Now, remember, it's not about replacing yourself with technology, yeah? A lot of people have this fear, right? But it's more about unleashing your creativity's full potential with a little help from your digital friends, yeah? And I mean these AI tools, online tools, yeah? So embrace the magic of these online tools. Stay authentic, yeah, and you'll be well on your way to, content creation success. If you have any questions or you need any clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to, answer you. Yeah. So until next time, happy content creating. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.